And today we're going to be talking about how you can buy crypto in Canada, how you can hold crypto in Canada, how you get paid for holding your crypto, and if you can buy your crypto on the stock market and pay no taxes for that. Let's get started. Hello everyone, my name is Alex. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're staying safe, I hope you're doing well, and I hope you're ready to buy some crypto and hold it forever. And today I'm going to tell you how you can do it in Canada, how you can buy crypto, how you can hold crypto, and if you're able to buy some crypto on a stock market with your regular brokerage account. Because some people notice that I actually hold some crypto and actually get paid every single month for the crypto I hold. So what are the steps there? What you can do also to get involved with crypto? I suppose it's not the regular investing material, and it's totally not the dividend investing that I'm usually doing, but cryptocurrencies and specifically Bitcoin and Ethereum could become a really good long-term investments for a lot of people. And with all the momentum that's going on right now, where Tesla is buying Bitcoin, Square is buying Bitcoin, PayPal is enabling Bitcoin, and everyone else, MicroStrategy is like super investor, Coinbase is going public with this crypto exchange business, and things are getting changed every single day, and more companies from S&P 500, from other businesses are getting involved. Even regular banks are getting some traction and trying to catch up with all this cryptocurrency momentum that's happening right now. And of course, we're still in super early stages here, even though the price of the Bitcoin today is at around $61,000 in Canadian, which is huge if you compare it to like what happened to it a year ago. But it's definitely still in early stages right now. Crypto is still not the easiest security to purchase, and specifically it's not the easiest one to hold safely. And Canada is trying to catch up as well, and for some of the parameters is actually on top of the game, and we're ahead of time if you compare to other countries. And I'll talk about it today as well. But the main part of the video today is how you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other coins in Canada, and how you can hold them safely, and how you can get interest paid to you every single month for holding your Bitcoins. And towards the end of the video, we're going to talk about the stock market and how you can buy crypto on the stock market today with your regular brokerage account. So stay tuned for that as well. And now we know what's going to happen, so let's get started. So there are a lot of crypto exchanges on Canadian market as well. There are like 20 something of them already. And all of those are very similar from the first look, but they actually have a lot of difference between themselves that you need to consider before you start investing into Bitcoins. So let's double click in a couple of those and see what are the main differences between them and what you need to look at when you consider buying your first Bitcoin or first partial Bitcoin, because Bitcoin price is extremely high right now. And the first one we're going to be looking at today is Wealthsimple Crypto. It's one of the most popular apps in Canada, I think, just because their marketing campaign is insanely great, and also they got some really good traction on their other products like Wealthsimple Robo Investing, Wealthsimple Trade for regular stock market investing. They also introduced a new thing, that Wealthsimple Tax. And by the way, I have a video that I linked above here where I go on step-by-step tutorial on how you can file taxes in Canada by using Wealthsimple Tax, or what used to be Simple Tax. And did you know you can get a tax credit for working from home last year? I'm going step by step on how you can do it in that video, so go check it out as well. So back to our crypto stuff. So Wealthsimple Crypto is part of the Wealthsimple Trade application. So you can toggle between the two, and you can actually transfer money from one to another, which is pretty convenient and it's pretty nifty feature they have. But let's actually look at the pros and cons of Wealthsimple Trade and why I think it's not the best app to use for crypto investing. So the first one, sign up process. That is pretty easy. You can do it within a couple minutes. The user interface is great and super simple to use. So checks out. Next, the interface. The interface of the application is great. This is a very good fintech company. So they're trying to make the user interface super friendly for all the users. So thumbs up there as well. Another cool feature with this is that if you use Wealthsimple Trade for your stock investing or stock trading, whatever, then you would have everything in one place, which is pretty convenient. You can toggle between the two. You can transfer money between the two. So I would say that's an advantage as well. There's no account minimum with how much you need to start. You can start with as little as $1. So that's pretty cool. They claim that they have 200 mil of crypto in cold storage. So that's sort of an insurance they're claiming they have, which is pretty good to have in case of anything happening to the Wealthsimple Crypto. And here I would start with all advantages. That's pretty much it. So let's see what are the cons, what are the disadvantages of Wealthsimple crypto. There are quite a few there. So first one is deposit, how that works. So you need to add your bank account to your Wealthsimple crypto or Wealthsimple trade if you already have that there. And you can deposit quite some money, but there's a limitation that you can instantly trade only $250 within the 3-day period, which is a pretty big disadvantage. So say if you want to invest $1,000 and use it within the same day, you cannot do it. You need to wait for up to 3 business days for your money to settle before you can use the whole amount. The next one is that they only have 2 different coins on the platform, Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if you want to trade something else, they don't have those. The next one is fees. They have 1.5% transaction fee, and transaction means whenever you buy or sell your crypto, you need to pay 1.5% of that transaction as a fee, which is pretty big, I would say, compared to the other crypto exchanges. And the final one, and the most important one, disadvantage for Wealthsimple crypto, is that you are not allowed to withdraw your Bitcoins to other exchanges, to other crypto wallets, or whatever, to send it to your friends or anything like that. You cannot do it. And that goes against the whole Bitcoin methodology where your crypto is decentralized. You can send it whenever you want to send it to whoever you want to send it. As that you're not actually buying the actual Bitcoin, you're buying the promise that you have some sort of Bitcoin holding, but you're not allowed to use it. You just can sell it back again for 1.5% fee. And only because of this, I would say stay away from Wealthsimple crypto, because you would not be able to send out your crypto anywhere else. But stay tuned, they might add that functionality in a bit, because what happened with Robinhood, they didn't have that as well in US, and they finally added, so you can sell your crypto outside of Robinhood without converting to dollars first. So that's about it about Wealthsimple crypto. Let's go to the next one. And this one is going to be a pretty big one, which is Coinbase. And Coinbase is the largest crypto exchange by volume in US, which is huge. And also they just filed documents that they're going to go public sometime this year. It's going to be a crazy day when they're actually going to go public. I also go through all the major IPOs of 2021 in one of my recent videos. Go check out there. Coinbase is there as well. And there are also some other companies that are going to go public this year, and it's going to be insane. All right, let's go through pros and cons of Coinbase. They have a really good interface, it's easy to sign up, it's one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world, and it's the largest crypto exchange by volume of trades in US. Their claim that security is really good, but also on the other side is that they have a lot of attention and hackers would love to hack them first before hacking any other crypto exchanges. They're offering to sell and buy of around 30 different coins, including Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. For deposits, you can use your credit or debit card, and you can also attach your bank account as well. For withdrawals, you can also use PayPal. This is something new they just added recently, but you cannot deposit to your Coinbase from your PayPal yet. And another good thing is that you can send your crypto outside of Coinbase. There's some small fee for doing that, but you can do it. That's already pretty good, right? So keep in mind that too. There's no account minimum, so you can start with as little as $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. Their crypto exchange is also insured, so you're sort of protected in case of any hacks gonna happen. And they have only one disadvantage there, is the fees. So the fee structure is pretty complicated that they have. It depends on the type of transaction you're doing. Either you're buying your coins directly from your credit debit card, or you have some balance on your account and you buy with that. So the fee is always different. And it goes all the way from 0.5% all the way to 4%. So keep that in mind. And I'm gonna put a link in my description below that explains all the different fees and what's happening there. So if you wanna consider Coinbase, you can check that out as well. And besides the fees, there's nothing else that is not great about Coinbase, but there are other crypto exchanges where the fee is lower. So let's go into those. So the next one is Shakepay. Pretty cool name, I like it. Shake and Pay. That's pretty cool. And I like this one for its great feature, which is e-transfer deposits. So if you want to deposit quickly and like right now, within 30 minutes, you can do it with your e-transfer. So you just send it to your Shake account. No. So you just send it to your Shakepay account from your bank as a regular email transfer, and the money is there within 30 minutes. So I would say that's pretty convenient. You can do your trades pretty quickly, and you don't have to wait for a couple days for money to settle. And let's look at a couple other details for Shakepay. So the sign-up process is pretty easy and quickly. The user interface is sort of on point. It's not that hard, but it lacks a lot of features, which I would say is an advantage, just because if you don't want to use any other features, they don't have those. So you're going to be using whatever you just need, like buying and selling Bitcoin or Ethereum. That's it. And deposit money. That's it. You don't need to do any other sort of things there. The next one is easy, fast, and free e-transfer deposits. This is huge, I would say, especially for me. I like to send money very fast and be available to trade them in the same hour or at least within the same day. So they solve this issue for me. The next one, there is no fee withdrawals. So if you want to send your crypto outside of Shakepay, you can do it, and there are no fees for this. That's it. That's pretty cool, right? And they also provide the cold storage insurance for all the crypto that they hold. So that's pretty cool as well. So let's go through these advantages. And the first one is the fees. So they have, Shakepay has around 0.75% transaction fee. So this is super low if you compare it to Coinbase, where they have from 0.5 to 4%. But it is pretty high if you compare it to even some other exchanges that I'm going to talk about in a bit as well. And the other disadvantage is that their mobile and web app has limited functionality, which might be a disadvantage for some people, but personally I like it because I'm not distracted by anything else. The only thing I do with Shakepay is I buy crypto and I send it elsewhere. That's it. And they do it amazingly well. And the last crypto exchange I'm going to cover today is the legend and the biggest crypto exchange in the world. It's Binance. And Binance has recently added a lot of features, a lot of functionality for Canadians, which is pretty cool. So Binance is not the easiest crypto exchange to use. They have a lot of stuff happening on their application. You can buy tons of different coins there. You can trade them back and forth and stuff like that. They even offer some credit cards that you can use to purchase things with Bitcoins and whatnot. So it's a huge platform. They provide a huge functionality. They also have a great security behind the scenes. So it's the mother of crypto exchanges, I would say. So you definitely want to consider that as an advantage, but also if you're new to crypto, it might be over complex for you in the first look of it. And as their deposits work, you cannot just put your money on your Binance account. You need to buy crypto right away through your credit debit card or through your e-transfer. And the way to do it, if you don't want to buy, say, Bitcoin right away, you need to buy USDT, which is a tether, which is 1-to-1 to $1 in terms of cost. So you buy that, then you have it in your account, and then you can use that to buy crypto whenever you like, whenever you think the price is low enough for you to buy, invest in Bitcoin and stuff like that. Or you can buy some other coins as well, which they have a ton of those. So it's up to you what you're going to do next. But my point here, before using Binance, you need to understand the way the depositing works. You buy your crypto with your deposit. That's it. So let's go through pros and cons for Binance. And the first one is that their interface is great. Their sign-up process is pretty cool. They have a great security behind the scenes. Their fees are super low. It's around 0.1%, and you can even lower it to 0.075% if you hold their own crypto coin, which is BNB. So you can benefit from low fees there as well. They offer a ton of different coins that you can use to trade. If you're into crypto day trading, they have a ton of coins there, so you can use those to do any sort of trades you would like. And I have only one disadvantage there, that their platform is pretty complex for a first user. So it requires a little bit of learning curve for you to get familiar with the user interface, with what's happening there, how you buy crypto, how you sell crypto, how you trade, how you withdraw it, how you send it out elsewhere and stuff like that. But once you figure all that out, that's a great platform for you to use. It has low fees, it has great interface, has a lot of functionalities there. So definitely go check it out. So my verdict here is going to be this. If you're new to crypto exchange and you want to start it today, Shakepay would be the best platform for its free and fast and easy e-transfers and deposits. And next, for that you are allowed to withdraw your crypto for free as well elsewhere. And if you're an advanced user, you know what's happening or you want to learn more about crypto and how it works, and you want to go to crypto day trading and stuff like that, I would say use Binance. That's the best platform because you're going to have low fees for all the trades you're making. So that's a really great platform for your crypto day trading life. And I also haven't covered a lot of other apps because they couldn't fit into this video. I need to make like 10 other videos to cover all of those. But just for you, for your knowledge, and if you want to check out more of those, I'll link all of them below in my description. The ones I heard about or I checked out online and all that. And I also drop some of these here like CoinSquare, Kraken, BitBuy, CoinSmart, NDX, Coinberry, CoinMama. That's a lot of those, right? So go check it out too if you're interested. And these 4 that I provided for you, actually 3 because Wealthsimple Crypto is not the platform you want to use here. But if Coinbase, Shakepay, and Binance is not the option for you, go check out the rest of those and see if there's something that's gonna suit your needs. So now our next part. So once we bought this Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other crypto, what are we gonna do? Where are we gonna hold it? Or what are we gonna do with it? Do we send it somewhere? Is it just gonna sit on the same crypto exchange for some time? Or what's gonna happen, right? So let's figure this out. What you can do with your crypto is hold it on the same crypto exchange where you bought it and just wait for the price to go up. But if you want to hold your crypto for long term, it's not the best idea to just hold it on the same crypto exchange where it's going to sit and do nothing for you. The other thing you can do is first you can use something like Ledger Nano X, which is the cold storage approach of holding your Bitcoin. That means that you're not going to be attached to any hacks that's happening on any of the crypto. You're actually going to own a simple physical device where you can control what's happening with your crypto. You can have access to it all the time, and you're not bound to all the softwares or crypto exchanges out there in case there are going to be any hacks or anything like that. And even in case this device was damaged or got broken or you lost it somewhere, you still have access to all the crypto you hold it, because your crypto is in the blockchain, right? And that crypto is accessed using the Ledger device. And as long as you backed up all your 24 recovery seed correctly, you can simply purchase a new hardware wallet and input in your recovery seed. That will give you access to your funds. So that's pretty neat, and I think that would be the safest way to hold your crypto long term. And last option that you can do is actually what I do and what I like the most, just because I don't like my money sitting and doing nothing. I like them to generate me some income, some passive income. And for Bitcoin, you can do the same. There are tools that provide high interest savings account for Bitcoins or Ethereum that generate you up to 8% interest per year. And they are paying you every single month for just holding your Bitcoin there. So that's pretty cool. And the first one is BlockFi. And they provide up to 8% of interest per year for your crypto, and specifically for Bitcoin, they provide up to 6%, which is pretty cool. And BlockFi is a pretty secure and pretty good company. They're backed by Coinbase, and all the Bitcoins that they store for you, they store in the cold storage, so that's pretty secure as well. And you can simply transfer your Bitcoin to your BlockFi account, and it will sit there with 6% interest per year, and they'll pay you on a monthly basis interest in Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is growing, your total amount is going to grow with it as well. And I'm going to put a link below how you can sign up with your BlockFi account and get up to $250 in Bitcoin into your account after your first deposit. There's also another similar app to BlockFi, which is Ladin.io. They provide a 6% high interest savings account for your Bitcoins as well. So if you want to check it out, I'm going to put a link below as well. And I think BlockFi is more popular, and they have a backing from the largest US crypto exchange company, Coinbase, which is pretty cool. But also check out Ladin.io if you're interested in this approach, so you have something to compare with. And personally, I'm a fan of the approach when money is working for me. I don't like them sitting on my checking account or my savings account in bank and just not doing anything, not gaining anything, and inflation is gonna eat them out. An option to put my Bitcoins long-term for 6% yearly interest, show me the link, I'm there. Send you all my crypto, hold it, give me the 6% back, I'm good. And finally, the part where you're gonna be talking about how you can buy crypto on the stock market in Canada. So let's check this out. So first, why it's super exciting, why I'm pumped about this. The main point here is that you can use your TFSA RSP RESP account to hold your crypto, which means that you're not going to pay any taxes on any growth you're getting from that. Where if you sell your Bitcoin on the regular crypto exchange, you would be required to pay other income taxes if you're doing like crypto trading, or you would be required to pay capital gains on all the growth you're getting. And the other point here is that you can utilize your current brokerage account where you buy stocks and ETFs today. So that's pretty convenient too. And so just recently, as of a couple weeks ago, in Canada, couple new ETFs emerged. One is the BTCC-TO and the other was EBIT.TO. And both of them are Bitcoin ETFs, and they're getting some traction already. There are a lot of volume going through those. And let's see at the pros and cons. And the main one that I just talked about, that for this you can use your TFSA RSP or RESP account. The next one is that you can use your current brokerage where you buy your other stocks or ETFs, for example, Questrade, and that's pretty convenient. The third one is that you don't have to worry about the storage, where you're gonna put it, if something's gonna happen. You just hold it as a regular stock and you can sell it whenever you want. So no question asked. Now let's go through disadvantages. There are actually quite some of those. So the very first one is the most important one is that you're not holding an actual Bitcoin. You're holding a security, an ETF share that says you're holding a piece of that Bitcoin, right? But you're not allowed to send this actual decentralized currency somewhere else outside of your portfolio. So again, it goes outside of what cryptocurrency and decentralized currency actually mean. So that's something to consider for sure here. So the CTF also tracks only Bitcoins. The next one is fee. So the management expense ratio for this ETF is 1%. And I would say it's pretty high, but you also not gonna pay any taxes, right? If you hold on your TFSA. So you're saving there. So there's definitely an option. Someone would consider this as a good option for them to get involved with crypto, especially if they're holding some stocks or ETFs currently. It's a pretty easy approach on how you can get involved with crypto. And as you can see, there are a ton of different options out there, what you can do and how you can buy your crypto, either through different crypto exchanges or even buying like ETFs. And Canada is actually the first country to provide this opportunity. But it also depends on your goals and what you actually want to do. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll drop all the links below in my description, so go check out those. And like, subscribe, hit the bell, hold your crypto. See you in my next video. Bye. Cheers.